it's Georgia.
Hi, it's Chloe.
And today, it's a little bit too rainy for our adventure.
But that's okay, Georgia, because I have the best idea ever. I'm going to go try out my new orange gumboots and go for a walk and find some special treasures to make a craft.
That sounds so much fun, Chloe, but I don't have any gumboots. That's okay. I've got the perfect idea. I'm going to make us both hot chocolates.
Yes!
So you can come back and be nice and warm. Okay, let's go adventure!
Time to put my special orange gumboots on. Okay, gonna untie my shoelaces. Always gotta untie our shoelaces when we take off our shoes. I'll put my shoes to the side now. Here are my gumboots. They're so cool, aren't they? They're gonna keep my feet nice and dry. Maybe I can even splash in the puddles. Let's start with my left gumboot. It's gotta go on the left side first, obviously. Time to put the other one on. And stomp. I'm ready to go stomp in the puddles and find some special treasures now. Let's go. Time to go for a walk and find some special things that are on my list. Uh-oh, I dropped my pen. Oh no, it's a bit windy. I've got my umbrella to protect me from the rain, but I've got to be quick though. Look, I've got some sticks on my list. Let's go collect some. Okay, I found some sticks down here. Oh, I'm gonna pick them up and tick them off my special list. Sticks have been found. Tick. Let's put them in my basket. Let's continue on. Maybe we can find a leaf next. Whoa! Just gonna put my umbrella down for this part now. Oh look! So many leaves! What one will I pick? Maybe some here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get 5. 5 leaves in the basket. Time to tick it off. And tick. What shall we find next?
Okay, now it's time to make some hot chocolates ready for Chloe's arrival after her little adventure. So, we have our drinking chocolate. We have our marshmallows. We have a milk frother. We know that's the best part of the hot chocolates. We have our milk. And we've got our little mixing tools and some pretty cool mugs. Okay, so our first step is to add some original drinking chocolate to our milk frother. Let's open it up. And it says here about 3 heap teaspoons. So, whoa. Come out, come out, come out. 1. Come on, drinking chocolate, you can do it. 2. And 3. And add a little bit more, so it's a bit more chocolatey. Perfect. Now, it says we need to add some warm milk, but we just have cold milk. But I think in our milk frother, it's gonna heat it all up together and mix it for us, so we don't have to do the hard work. Okay, let's put a little bit in. till the line. Perfect. Okay, it's time. Let's put the lid safely back on top. Okay. Let's turn it on. Press the button. See what happens. Look at it mixing, mixing, mixing. And nice and toasty warm. I wonder how Chloe's adventure is going.
Next on the list is some flowers. I found some just here. 1, 2, and 3 pretty yellow flowers. Perfect. Time to tick it off. Tick. I've only got some bark, some rocks, and a shell to find still. Let's go see what we can find next. I can spot some bark over this way. Look, I found a big piece of bark. Perfect. Let's pop it in and tick it off the list. And tick. Amazing. I wonder what we'll find next. Some rocks or some shells. Let's go see. Let's see. Can I see any rocks? Aha! I spotted some over here. Perfect. I'll pick them up for my special craft and pop them in the box. Amazing. Now we've only got a shell to find. Oh, I must remember to tick it off my list first. And tick. Right, let's go find the lucky last. A shell. Let's go see. I've searched everywhere and I can't seem to find a shell. That's okay though, because I found everything else on my list. Maybe I should just go and start my craft now. Let's go!
Oh no, our milk frother is overflowing. We better turn it off and see what's happening inside. Whew. Feels nice and warm. Let's have a look on the inside. Oh, it smells yummy. Okay, let's pour it into our cups. One for me. And one for Chloe. Now, we have to add the best part, the marshmallows. We'll put one white one and one pink one. One white one for Chloe and one pink one for Chloe. And we're gonna sprinkle some chocolate topping, some chocolate on top. Wow, they look so yummy. Hey Chloe, you're just in time. I've just finished the hot chocolates. How did your scavenger hunt go?
I found so many fun things to make a really fun craft, Georgia. And your hot chocolates look delicious. I can't wait to try.
Well, let's find somewhere to sit, drink our hot chocolates, and do this fun craft activity.
Sounds like a great idea. Let's go.
Okay, Chloe. It's time to tell me what craft activity we're doing.
Well, I've got lots of fun things I've found, so I thought maybe I could make a special little fairy house to put in my garden.
Aw, that's so cute, Chloe.
I've got lots of pieces of bark. Look at these.
Wow.
I'm going to stick them all around my cup and decorate with all my special little bits and bobs.
Ooh.
I've got my bark, some sticks. And down in here, I've got flowers, some rocks, and of course some leaves. But I couldn't quite find the last thing on my list, the seashell.
That's alright, Chloe, because I have some seashells in my pocket.
No way, Georgia. That is so lucky that you have some seashells.
Yeah, I like to keep things from all my adventures.
What a great idea, Georgia. Well, I can get crafting now. Oh, I better have a sip of my hot chocolate before I start. Good fuel.
So tasty.
Delicious. You're really good at making hot chocolates, Georgia.
Thanks, Chloe.
And I love my cup. It's got cherries.
Mine has peaches on it.
Okay, let's start. I've got my special hot glue gun. Now, Georgia, did you know that these get really, really hot? So you've got to have an adult to help with this one, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna glue my bark around my cup now. The cup makes for a good base. I'm gonna squeeze out some glue, squeeze some out, and stick it right on. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna make my way all the way around now. Time to refill the glue gun. A fresh glue stick in here.
Did anything fun happen on your adventure, Chloe?
Wow, Georgia, you never guess. But my umbrella, I was walking down the path and then a gust of winds came and my umbrella went poof.
Poor umbrella.
It was pretty wild and crazy, but luckily I'm all safe.
That's good, Chloe. Was it really wet and cold and windy?
It was a bit, but I did have fun.
That's the main thing. And how did your new gumboots go?
They were so good. I could stomp in the grass and run around, and I was all good. My feet didn't even get wet.
Oh, that's so good, Chloe. I might have to get myself a purple pair.
I think you will.
You've almost finished all the bark, Chloe. You're really quick at crafting.
Thanks. It makes me feel happy when I'm doing something that I love. Perfect. Now I'm going to fill all the gaps with all the special other things that I found, like the leaves and the rocks and the flowers. And press. Georgia, would you like to have a turn?
Sure thing. That sounds like great fun.
Okay, here's a special leaf for you. You can fill this gap over here.
Perfect.
Here's the glue gun. Now be safe with it. I think you need another glue stick, Georgia. Perfect.
Okay. There we go. Some glue. Pop it here. Stick it on right there.
Okay, time for the last leaf.
Now, Chloe, we have to make a door so our fairy can enter.
You're right, Georgia. It does need a door. I've got some special shiny paper. I'm gonna cut one out and stick it right on the front.
Good idea, Chloe. I'm sure fairies love sparkles.
I reckon. Snip, snip, snip. when we're using scissors, we have to be really careful as well. Make sure your adult is close.
Chloe, if you were a fairy, what colour wings would you have?
Well, I would probably have orange flowery wings.
They sound really cool. And would you live in like a mushroom, or would you live in a house just like this one?
I reckon a house just like this.
I reckon if I was a fairy, I'd be a purple fairy and I'd live in a mushroom.
That sounds really fun. Time to put the special finishing touches on now, Georgia. Some flowers, some rocks, and some shells. Maybe I'll make a little path for my fairy to come into her house with the rocks. And I might stick my flowers up here. Perfect. Oh, I've got a few more flowers still. I made sure to get lots because they're my favourite. These ones are even yellow. Maybe one down here. Time to stick some shells on. Okay, now the final touch, Georgia, is I'm going to stick these special sticks in the top of my house. Just like this.
Wow. This house is super cool. I reckon all the fairies will want to live here, Chloe.
I bet. Perfect. Well, let's go put it in my garden now, Georgia.
Maybe we'll wait till the rain has stopped.
True. Maybe I could send you a picture.
Sounds good, Chloe. Well, I've had so much fun spending this rainy day making this fairy craft and drinking hot chocolates. I guess we'll see you next time.
Happy adventuring!